Hello YouTube, Daniel here, just doing a real quick video here. Some stuff I picked up at the Restore yesterday. Got a Challenger by Proto, 3/8 ETF, half inch 9/16, 5/8 and 3/4. We're Phillips #1. I can't really see that name on there. West or Weston or something like that. Phillips #2. It's broken. And this thing here, half-inch drive, Upson Hold Ease, USA made. But $2 for it all. I thought it was a good deal. In case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, don't forget to smash that bell so you know when I put a new video. That's it. Stop by, say hello. Bye.